All right, so this is the John Deere LX277 that I've been resuscitating. It had a broken plastic hood, and I John Deereized a Craftsman hood. As you can see, I got lots of runs. I was painting on a windy day. It needs another coat, so I'll probably sand out these runs and tape everything off, fix this up a little better. Anyway, that's beside the point. What happened recently is I rolled this tire off the rim. It was in bad condition. It's all rotten and split. The rim was kind of chewed up, but anyway, I rolled it off the rim and drove around on it for a few minutes before I realized what was going on. So I went and looked at Princess Auto, which is our equivalent to Harbor Freight, I guess, here in Canada. And their tires were, I think, $60. Anyway, I went on Amazon and ordered these. It was two of them for $90, which is just, oh, look, and it comes with the washers, because I didn't have a washer for there. Now, the big question is the offset and everything right? Because it said it was good for an L100 series tractor. That looks mint. So let's crank this up a little bit further. There we go. And I'm going to pump some grease in there later anyway. But I just thought I'd maybe smear a little bit on here, just to know that I did it. You know, I don't think we need it. I'm going to grease it. But there we go. I had a grease rag here a second ago. There it is. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Nice new shiny tires. Yeah, 15.66. And these are, I'm pretty sure, I hope so. I didn't look, I just looked it up. I didn't check. Yeah. Find a legible size on there. There it is, yes. Oh yeah, 15.66. So, even though these look narrower, they are the right size. We got some grease on there. Fancy. So there's quite a bit of space there. So I'm going to put let's try that. That might be too much, but we'll take it off if it is. Yeah, that's too much. Uh-oh, there we go. I don't want to get grease on my new paint job. So let's put three in back. I'm going to get her glove out of there. It won't fit. Am I going to be able to get the cloth washer in there? Ooh, it's tight. I think we'll just do two. Two should do. Perfect. One on the outside. the E-ring, E-clip. There we go. Oh, that's not on all the way. Uh-oh, that's on. Isn't that nice? With tax, it was $110 for 2 tires, 2 wheels. Let's have a closer look at the assembly. Those are steel bushings, no bearings. And grease zert there. They appear to have tube. Yes, tube type. Wasn't expecting that, but I guess that's all right. Okay. Well, there you have it. There are the Amazon John Deere replacement tires for a 15.66 front end on an LX 277 and more. Thanks for watching.